That's powering our steering right there, huh? See that? Burp, 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 burp. Burp, 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 burp. You think it hurts to look through the camera? The camera can't present light that'll hurt your eyeballs. Only this. This here, fully functional throttle. What you got on that action, huh? So how many cameras we got going? Let's put up to 100 pounds and see what can. Yeah, I'm out in the floor, looks solid. Let's go ahead and go. Oh, let's try to stitch up. Do it again.
I got it on film. And it was truck. As long as it's on film. Logo to the rescue.
Give me super pursuit mode.
With pleasure, Michael.
Look at that thing. Hopefully this ain't gonna run me over as soon as we started here.
It's out of here, right?
Man, that stinks.
Did it go out?
Hey, don't burn your dick either. That's kind of bad.
Quit. Hey, let's do a good deed here.
Shake off.
Oh, is that fitting in? Good. I need to chain it down.